I just woke up with alarms going off and I'm like, what's going on? I love these crossings here, diagonal crossings. Oh, it's going up. No, someone called it upstairs. Son of a bitch. And it looks like my hotel is attached to this train station. Alright, so I'm gonna check in, sign off for now. Entering my room for the first time. See my stuff still out here. Oh, I gotta drag it in. So let's check the bathroom out. Yes, the Japanese toilet, and usually they have heated floors here. Hairbrush, toothbrush, nice, and then shower. The Japanese always have slippers. Decent sized bed. I've been to Japan before and I've stayed in Tokyo 3 nights. This is probably the largest room I've had. All these sirens started to go off. I wake up and my phone's buzzing too, and it gives me a warning. The ground was shaking, so I just felt my first earthquake here in Japan. First earthquake ever. Scary. But now I'm back to sleep. Good morning from Tokyo. So I just came out of the shower and I had to get my camera real quick because look at this. They have something going on here with heat where the middle does not get fogged up, so you can see yourself and you don't have to, you know, wipe the mirror here. Which is pretty cool. Alright, going downstairs for breakfast. It's about 8ish. Let's have breakfast and then go explore the city. You can get your tray, napkins, your silverware, and then move on to get the food. Oh, today they got deep fried chicken. Bacon, fish, hot pot of taro soup, and then miso soup with clams. This is vegetarian and seafood. Clam chowder, as you can see, there's pork and beef in it. So I like it how they have these indicators, because rice porridge, you would assume that it's vegetarian, but this has beef or pork in it, so if you're vegetarian, it's not for you. Then they have steamed rice, very staple here in Asia. Then they have curry, which is pork and beef. And then these omelets are good. And then they have the juice stations here, water, juice, as well as cereals. And then they have dude that makes omelets here. And then you have your coffee stations right here. And your tea. So I'll be eating this morning. Not too much, something just light, give me some energy. So I can go explore the city. And then have food in between my explorations. So when you come to Japan and you come over here, you press English.
All of your information will be displayed in
And so what I need to do is I needed to get to a place where we would be transferring via Hamatsu station. And so I clicked here. And it was 340. I clicked 340, I put my money in, and I got this ticket. Couldn't do it live because I wasn't sure what I was doing, but I did the right thing. Very simple, and you really can't make mistakes here. People are really helpful, they'll help you out. So, on my way to Ginza now. Mm-hmm.